Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And not only today did the Frugal Boys flourish out here on the online sales streets, we also got a pickup straight from Nike, an early pickup straight from Nike, thanks to my ability to read and click links. And like I said, man, early, straight from Nike, a brand new Nike model that I was really ready to try out. So we're gonna get to that second. First off, let me grab the boxes so y'all can see what we're working with. So like I said, man, two brand new boxes, double unboxing, some new clothing pickups, and that brand new pickup from Nike. Y'all see the tape, hold on, y'all see the tape, so y'all should already know what's going on. So let's go ahead, let's get it. Production team, that first montage, let's go ahead, let's run that.
Till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue. I like hundreds till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue. I like hundreds till my fingers blue. I just fought this bitch inside a Bentley coupe. Hop up in the rig, got stars up on the roof. I like selling mid because I smoke the booth.
So in this first box right here, I got everything in here for 50% off, and I got everything off of Black Market USA. Sometimes they have 30% off, 40% off, 50% off flash sales, and y'all already know summer, spring is gonna come up eventually. So I was just trying to think ahead. I copped a few things, so let's go through it. Some new stuff from Mitchell & Ness, Stussy, and Mr. Completely, all for 50% off. Shouts out to the Frugal Boys out there. Let's get into the box. So first up out of the box, we're gonna start off real simple, and then we're gonna ramp it up. So the first thing is just some green Stussy shorts, which sucks because I know a few days after I bought these, they had some green Stone Island cargo sweat shorts that I would probably rather had than these. But I'm really picky with sweat shorts because sometimes they look really good, sometimes they just look too wide on you. So I got these in a size XL. I usually wear a size 36 and they fit fine. There is Stussy embroidered on the left side. Of course, since they are sweat shorts, they do have two side slip pockets, and like I said, I wear a 36 waist. I got an XL and they fit me perfectly fine. Back pocket on the right side with a Stussy tag, and these are nothing special, just some nice new sweat shorts and a nice green colorway for the spring and summer. And like I said, bro, 50% off, why not? Now these shorts were definitely a little bit more expensive, and I think I ended up paying, I want to say 75 to 80 for them after it was 50% off. But these are some Mr. Completely sweat shorts, and the colorway on these is salmon or salmon. Honestly, I don't care. You can say it how you want. I really don't care. I usually say salmon, but I'm just trying to be correct because I'm on camera. You feel me? Now, of course, since these are Mr. Completely shorts, it wouldn't be correct without the big long zipper right here exposed. One side is like a nice blue, the other side is an off-white sail colorway, the big ring zipper on them, and I really like that color contrast between the blue, the white, and the actual salmon color of the shorts. I really like these shorts, and my only problem with them is I got them in a size large just because on the model they looked like they ran kind of big, but unfortunately they don't run big. I would have definitely been better off with a size XL. And another thing I was kind of apprehensive about is just the way that they're shaped. It's almost like a drop crotch short, and y'all know me, I'm not the biggest fan of the drop crotch depending on what it is. I just like the color so much, and I like how they look, and they feel great. I mean, they definitely feel up quality. It's a nice chain link, you know, French terry, Mr. Completely size large. They definitely are some really nice shorts, and if they were an XL, they would fit a lot better. So I might have to go back on Black Market. I think because this was 50% off this final sale, so these might end up going up on Bulls Bodega, but these were some really nice sweat shorts. Of course, they have the raw edges on the bottom, the raw hem on the bottom, and this whole part, this basically drop crotch part, is a reversed French terry, which gives them a little bit more of a textured look when you wear them. They also have some different type of drawstrings, very long, and there is no like front zipper. This does not open up on the front. I can wear them now, but they're not as comfortable as I would like them to be. So that was number two. Now these were a steal because I remember last year for All-Star Weekend, I bought the, I want to say it was the 1996 All-Star Game, all over blue, the ones I wear all the time, and they cost me over $100. They were like 125 or 130 for the shorts. And on my top 5 shorts list of 2017. I mentioned that basketball shorts were definitely up there, some of the old school Mitchell & Ness ones, and these are from 1993 All-Star Game. And once again, I got these for 50% off, which is a definite steal for sure. They're all over blue, and as far as sizing goes, to me, they definitely run big. Like I said, I usually wear an XL because I'm a 36 waist, but I get a large in all the Mitchell & Ness NBA shorts, and they fit me perfectly. Now, as we move to the ribbing, it's a red, white, and blue ribbing that's at the waist, white drawstrings, and there's also that red, blue, and white ribbing at the bottom with the NBA logo right there. Now, the rest of the short is an all over blue mesh, and then you have the NBA All-Star logo on the side. I really like the look of this one because it kind of reminds me of like an airbrushed effect on the shorts. And you guys know I even copped the Supreme jersey. Matter of fact, let me grab that. That matches this. So this isn't an exact match, but obviously you guys can see where Supreme got their inspiration from for this jersey. I have the blue version and the black version, and I still need to hunt down the Supreme shorts to match both of the jerseys. Of course, I'm not going to wear them together, but I would just like to have them. Anyways, 1993 All-Star shorts from Mitchell & Ness for 50% off. Can't beat it. And this was just an old pickup. I think I got this one off of eBay a long time ago for about 80 or 90 bucks in really good condition. Couldn't pass up on it, but this is some old shit. Let me toss this to the side. That was the next pickup. Another major steal right here. 1991 Mitchell & Ness All-Star shorts. Yes, very similar to the ones you guys just saw, with a little bit different detailing on the right side of the short. So once again, this is an all over white mesh. You got white drawstrings on these. The ribbing around the waistband as well as down on the leg is exactly the same as the blue shorts. I'm pretty sure they might have flipped the colors, but it's red, white, and blue once again. And the one difference between these ones is that on the left side, yes, it has a very similar NBA All-Star graphic on this side, but once you switch to the right side, it is a totally different graphic. It says NBA All-Star Weekend, Charlotte, February 8th through 10th, and this one was in 1991. So these are some major throwback shorts right here, and I got them in the same size large, because these do once again run a little bit big. I really like the look of these shorts, and you guys are going to see me wearing a lot of shorts like this in the summertime. I just think it's a good look, so you're not just wearing basic shorts. They feel good, they fit good, and they're definitely cozy. Get you some airflow. You already know you need a little bit of airflow because y'all already know how that goes. I don't even need to get into that. And just some dope shorts. The only thing I do not like about these is that they don't have pockets, but if I really need pockets, I can reach out to my dudes over at Opunome, and they will sew some joints on there for me. And of course, I don't have pockets, but the clout packs are in the back. So if I'm lacking pockets, the clout packs are ready. Anyways, that was the next pickup. 1991 All-Star shorts from Mitchell & Ness, blam, all white. Next pickup, and I think the last pickup out of that box. Next up and last up out of the box, we have these right here, and these are some more jeans from Mr. Completely. Now, I think these are called the Emirates Selvage Denim, or 10-year Selvage Denim. This was from fall winter 16, so this is a pretty old season of jean from Mr. Completely. Now, my one thing with Mr. Completely, I really like their jeans. It's just that sometimes they do run a little bit small just because of how they're made. So I have old pairs of Mr. Completely jeans in a size 36. Matter of fact, let me grab them. These are the ones right here. I got these in a size 36, and this is the Trafford, and this was from spring summer 17, and I still can't wear these just because around the thighs they just don't fit me well. But I really like this wash of jean. I like how they have the exposed hem on the bottom, have the strings hanging off of them, and I just haven't brought myself to sell them because hopefully one day I will be able to actually wear these, and I just really like the wash on these. I really like the feel. I definitely think a great jean option if you have the squalor to spend on them is the Mr. Completely Denim. I really like these. I really like the fit and the feel. I just wish I would have got this pair right here in a size 38, but that's some old ones. These new ones I did grab a 38 in, and they do fit more of a slim feel, and I do wish they were just tapered a bit more on the bottom. Once again, I like the wash. I like the distressed look of them. They just are a little bit loose, and not in a bad way. I can still rock them, but I kind of threw them on with some Chicago ones just so you guys could kind of see the taper, and the taper towards the bottom of the leg isn't the best, so they don't look the best with the Air Jordan 1. I just think the 1 is a good like base shoe for you guys to kind of see how they might look. Other than that though, man, it's a solid pair of jeans, bro. Mr. Completely never really fails me. I just always have to watch out for the sizing. So if you're shopping for Mr. Completely jeans, the Emirates pair definitely do run more slim. Now the Trafford, if you do have a bigger thigh or a bigger leg, you might want to go a size up just to make sure you can fit them. You don't have to return them and do all that. So that was the last pickup from Black Market USA, some new selvage denim. And this is my first pair of selvage denim, so it's gonna be interesting actually wearing these around. I know about the whole walking on the ocean, the sea salts and all that other selvage denim stuff, but yo, the ocean right now is very, very cold and I'm good on that. So I'm gonna just have to wear these in and they should look better and fit better over time. And I will let y'all know if I do end up tapering them just a bit, just a little bit too wide, just a little bit wide on the leg end for me. So listen, that was it. Those are all the pickups from Black Market USA. Everything went 50% off. So if you guys want to get on those sales, hey, head over to the site, sign up for the newsletter, bam, they'll email it straight to you. That's how I knew.
Till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue. I like counting hundreds till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue, till my fingers blue. I like counting hundreds till my fingers blue. I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley coupe. Hop up in the wreck, got stars up on the roof.
And here they are, right here, bro. These drop on the 25th of January. I got these about 2 days ago, and this is the Air Vapor Max. Plus the retail is $190, just like the regular Flyknit Vapor Max. And what I will tell you guys, because I have tried them on, is you definitely want to go a half size up, and that's going to give you the best look on your foot. For me, I have somewhat of a wider foot, so once it gets to the toe box, you don't want your toes bunching up in these. They're going to look a lot better if your toes aren't bunching up, just like with a lot of different runners. So I would say go a half size up if you can. Unfortunately, I'm a size 12. When I went to buy these at 12.5, was already sold out, and I'm definitely not getting a 13 because I just don't fuck with 13s, bro. I avoid 13s at all costs. So my quick thoughts on these. When I tried them on, extremely comfortable. The upper on these, I don't know if it's a neoprene or something. It definitely feels like a very soft neoprene. These are very comfortable, and if I know a Vapor Max sole, once you wear them even more, they're gonna get even more comfortable. And another thing with these one is that you're not sitting right on top of the Vapor Max air bubbles. There is a midsole on these, so you do have a little bit of a break, and it makes the shoe a little bit more chunky, a little bit more solid. The Flyknit Vapor Max is really a Flyknit sock on top of air bubbles. This one, it gives you a little bit more stability, especially with the cage on the outside, and I will be dropping a review on this shoe very soon. I really like the logos on the back with the VM Air, the Vapor Max Air, and it's just cool to see a tuned Air come back on some new tech on the sole. I remember my parents, I know my dad and my mom had tuned Airs for sure. I know my mom had like the white sunset pair, and this was back in early 2000s, I'm pretty sure. So the tuned Air is nothing new to me, but this shoe with the Vapor Max sole and a different little bit of tooling definitely is a great new Nike model. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm slick kind of salty because the women out there, small feet gang out there, all 5%, I think I'm at 5.2%. So shouts out to the new 0.2% of female viewers. All you 5.2% of viewers, y'all are getting one of the best colorways in these, and it's like this multicolor rainbow pair. Unfortunately, my foot is too big. I can't fit into women's shoes, but if I could, I would definitely rock that pair. It's a hard pair. Straight from Nike though, early pickup, review coming very soon. Don't miss it. Brand new model. Maybe you like them, maybe you won't. It is what it is. But listen, man, I am out of here. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, BuzzyBot, of course. Hold up, Bullet RC, and I will see y'all on the next video. That is it. Those are all the pickups. I'm out of here. Peace.
I like selling me because I smoke the booth.